Hi and welcome to our DNA Braid tutorial. If you love this, please subscribe to our channel so we can bring you some really cool stuff. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and get the notification bell. So firstly what we do is we take a ponytail. Now this is just how I like to secure a ponytail, with a bobby pin with the two bands, and spin it around and tuck it up and under. This ensures that your ponytail is nice and flat so you don't get those bumps at the back. See how it's nice and smooth. Now separate your ponytail into 3 pieces. You've got 3 ponytails, and always keep 3 ponytails. You take a small section of hair from the left and place the left over the top and then under the second piece of braid, and it joins into the 3rd piece. And then from here we take a small section from the right side and it goes under the whole braid and over the second middle piece, and there's your first stitch in the braid. See how that's just stitched in? And then we repeat the process. It is a very repetitive, fiddly little braid, but it's beautiful. So that goes over the top and under the second strand of hair, and it joins in to the 3rd strand. And then from that strand, we go under the whole section, over the top of the 2nd strand, and it becomes part of the 1st strand. Keep repeating this all the way to the end of the braid, and then secure it with a hair tie. I don't like elastic bands, so I like to wrap the hair around the band a couple of times and then secure with another tie, and then pull the hair over the top of that to hide the actual hairband. And here you have your DNA twist braid. I love this braid, it's very, very pretty. So thanks for watching. If you love this, please subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more tutorials on braiding. Thank you.